The second case here is Kabir Industries engage in service of transportation for road transport for consignment in 17th June and made advance payment for the transport in the same day. So they made the advance payment. Hence, the consignment would not be sent immediately on the account on the strike of the factory. They received the payment. Instead, July 20th, from June they received payment. July 20, the invoice was received from the transporter on July 22. So July 20 transfer is done. What the time of supply in the transporter service? So I have received the advance on July 17. No, that is the pay date on which time of supply is to be considered. Time of supply of service taxable under the reverse charge in the earlier following 2 days. That is date of payment or 61 days from the date of issue of invoice. In this case, date of payment. In the case, date of payment is 61 days from the date of invoice supply service. Hence, the date of payment is 17 June. It will be treated as the time of supply as per section 13, 13A. Section 13, subsection 3A. In this date, we will consider time of supply.